What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2004 Harley Davidson. It's the Electra Glide Classic, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing. But what's up? Let's go back here into the back. See the rear tire there. There's a lot of life left on it. Definitely good to pass inspection. See the dual exhaust coming out there. Got the cover there on that little brake light. Brake light here. You get the turn signal and turn signal. It looks like the tour pack is the quick detach tour pack, which is a really nice feature. Take that thing on and off, kind of get a little bit of that like almost street glide look. Got the Harley here on the bags, on the tour pack. I mean, got some white marks right there in the bottom of the lid. Got the shorty antennas, nice. It's not whipping all over the place. Got the luggage rack up top. Open this thing up. Pretty standard in here in the tour pack. Not much to see there. Let's close it back up. Got some light scrapes here on the corner. Actually, they're actually scratches, it's not light scrapes. On the corner of the tour pack. Want to make sure you note those, as well as some scratches there, and some scratches there. Jump down here to the bags. There's some scratching there on the front of the tour pack too. This tour pack's a little bit on the rougher side. The rest of the bike, I think, I mean, it hasn't been perfection, but the tour pack's probably the worst spot. Got a light mark there on top of the bag. And then with the side of the bag, see the exhaust there. See your side cover. That is good to go. There's some light marks in there. Got your passenger floorboard there. Got your rider floorboard. Got the brake pedal. Looking here in the motor. Motor's in really nice shape, looking good. Runs really well. See all that. Don't miss out on the fact that it's highway pegs. It is not the Ultra Classic, so it does not have the lower foot fairings. Just got the crash bars here. Jump up here to the front fairing. Got some scratches here along the side. And some light marks in here, kind of in through here. I like the blue. You see it kind of shining in the sun there. It really shimmers nicely. Up here in the front fender, we got a pretty sizable like ding or nick right there. I'm gonna call it a nick because it's not dented in, so it got chipped. There is the fork tubes there, coming down to the front brakes. See that on that side. Let's see the other side right away. There's that fork tube coming down to the front brakes. There you go. Got your front tire. A lot of life left on that. That is good to go. Coming up here on this side of the front fairing, kind of more of the same, just some light little marks in there. Nothing crazy. I mean, it is a 2004, so you know what to expect. Side of the tank is looking pretty good. Again, I like that color blue. Kind of like this retro looking painted on badge. Got the highway pegs, rider floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter, passenger floorboard. Get in here and look at the motor from this side. This is the this is the injected motor, so that's always nice. See the side cover there. See the side of the bag. See all that. This bag doesn't have quite the marks that the other one did. Again, up here in the tour pack, there's a mark there in the corner. Look at the backrest. The backrest on here is looking good. The armrest, again, it's not the Ultra, so there are no speakers in here. Got the backrest for the rider. Comfy seat for the rider. Up over the tank. I like those cool gauges. Change out the gauges. It does have a little bit of the higher bars on here. I got the mini apes. See your clutch there, controls, mirror, all your gauges coming across. Got your throttle, front brake, all these controls, mirror here. Let's turn this thing on. So the radio does work. I'm gonna turn it up real quick so you can hear it. I don't know if that's anyone's favorite song, but just want to make sure you know that the radio worked. There are 41,428 miles on this bad boy. It's in pretty nice shape for having 41,000 miles on it. It does have this Garmin GPS mount. I do not have the GPS for this. So I just want to point that out. That might be something that it's kind of like permanently mounted into this inner fairing. You can see this inner fairing is painted. Got like the tweeter speakers in here. So the guy took care of this bike, but did some modifications to it. It's fired up so we can hear it run. there's that. Let's make sure that these turn signals work. Get your front signal on that side. And your front signal on that side. Jump back here in the back. There you go, on that side. And it also looks like half of the brake light there is tied in as well. Same thing with this side. Good to go. All right, guys, so this is a 2004 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Classic. Got the mini apes on it. Do not miss out on this thing. This thing's not gonna last long. Thank you so much for watching.